Within Cerberus, another feature available is the sampling in fruit. This tool is designed to help you register and visualize field data quickly and easily, making it simple to monitor pests such as Lobesia botrana, Ceratitis capitata, or Bactrocera oleae. All the information recorded is stored within the platform and can be visualized in two different ways. In table format, where you can view all registered records, and in graph format, allowing you to easily analyze the evolution of each sampling over time. In this example, we are going to work with Lobesia botrana. As we can see, we have several records showing the number of observed and attacked clusters and the predominant egg stage detected during the sampling. Adding a new record is very simple. You only need to specify the sampling date, the number of observed clusters, the number of attacked clusters, and the predominant egg stage. In the case of Ceratitis capitata and Bactrocera oleae, the counting is done by fruits, while for Lobesia botrana it is done by clusters. Within the graph view, we can analyze the evolution of the different samplings over time, observing both the percentage of affected clusters and the predominant egg stage at each moment. Severity is represented visually. Severity 1, white egg, severity 2, yellow egg, and severity 3, egg with visible black head. All this information will allow us to generate automatic alerts, predictive models, and risk maps that help farmers make faster and more accurate decisions in the field. In addition, to make field sampling easier, we also provide datasheets that can be printed and used directly in the field as counting templates.